And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about another Discover credit card. Now, as you guys may already know, if you guys watch my videos, then you know that I love Discover and I love to really talk about their credit cards because I just love that in the first year, whatever you get in cash back, they're going to double it. So you know how a lot of times with credit cards, they give you a sign up bonus when you first sign up for a credit card. You get some type of reward when you sign up. With this one, you kind of have unlimited, if you ask me, because whatever you get in cash back in that first year, whether it's $100, $200, $300, they're going to actually give you that same amount back on your anniversary day. So I really love that about the Discover credit card. Now, Discover have multiple credit cards. They do this even with their secure credit cards, so it does not matter. None of their credit cards have annual fees. So I definitely wanted to come on and talk to you guys about this credit card. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, it is the NHL, which is the National Hockey League credit card. Now, you guys, they say there's 32 teams out there in the league, but only one that matters to you. So you'll be able to pick exactly which card you want to have. But again, it's no annual fee for it. You guys think of this as the Discover cashback card. That's what I'm thinking about this as, because the rewards to me are exactly the same. You're going to get 5% back on your purchases in different categories. So right now we're on grocery stores and wholesale stores. So right now this is a great time for you guys to spend a lot of money on not a lot of money, should I say, but up to $1,500 what you're going to be able to get to be able to activate that 5% back. This is the time where you want to spend your Discover credit card at the grocery stores. So if you go to Publix, this is a great time to spend it at Publix because you're going to get the 5% back. And again, after that first year, whatever you get back, they're going to actually double it. So I really do love that. You're going to get 1% back. You're going to get 1%. Also 1% back on anything else you spend your money on, no matter what it is. I also do like that they have the 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. There is a 3% intro balance transfer fee. It's going to vary also with the dates because it depends on when you watch, and a lot of times they have the same promotion. It's just the dates are going to change. So make sure you guys keep that in mind, and it's going to be up to a 5% fee for future balance transfers. So definitely keep this in mind. If you guys have a balance on another credit card, maybe you do want to transfer the balance to this credit card to do the 0% APR for 15 months. That can help you guys pay off your credit cards faster because now you're not getting charged any interest, which is really nice. Again, no annual fee. Pick which team you want to get. The biggest thing about this card for people that don't even care about the teams, because I'm like that too. I'm not into the hockey at all. I'm looking at there's no annual fee. That's something that I do love. I'm looking at the 5% cash back. I'm looking at the 1% cash back, and then the unlimited cash back match. So you're going to get an unlimited dollar for dollar match on all your cash back you earned at the end of your first year automatically. There is no limit on how much you will match. So those are the things that I'm looking at that I love a lot. And then also, I love the rotating categories. That's a Discover Ed cashback card, same thing. And then I love the 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfer. Those are the things I'm looking at. So if you guys are like, I'm not into hockey, maybe we need to look at certain credit cards for what they can do for us and not necessarily what image they're showing, So keep that in mind, because I still think that this can be a great one for you. And Discover can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So they can tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without a hard inquiry, which is really amazing. Again, I said this is my website for the people that don't know too. I will have it down below in the description. So I told you guys no annual fee, 0% APR for 15 months. You can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. They're going to check your TransUnion credit report. So they're going to pre-qualify you. But if you accept whatever offer they're going to give you, then they're going to check your TransUnion credit report to actually approve you. I do have a $1 trial. $1 7-day trial to my exclusive credit membership. So definitely check this out. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, then this can be a great thing for you, because what I can actually do and my team can actually do, we can look at your credit and tell you what you will possibly have to do to get your credit score higher. And it's really simple things. A lot of times what you can do is just about really doing what you have to do and putting that extra effort into whatever it is that you'll have to do to be able to increase your credit scores. If you don't know much about credit, definitely look into the Credit 101 membership. It's a $1 trial for that. Also, you got over 40 different downloadables available from dispute letters, worksheets, guides, and checklists. I definitely love that. So definitely check that out. Now, I always say which credit cards I think that the credit card that I'm reviewing is similar to. So I say that this credit card is more similar to the Discover It Cash Back. I've been saying that the whole video. Also, Amazon Prime card. This is because I love Amazon. So I definitely always like to pick that for a lot of people, especially with the rotating categories. A lot of times you're going to get those same or similar cash back with the Amazon Prime Visa. That's the one that I have. Also, the Discover It Cash and Restaurant card. I think that this can be similar to this because it is a Discover card. Now, for those people that like this card, but you want to find some more cards, I do have different lists out there. So I have the pre-qualified with no hard inquiry, the best credit cards for bad credit, the best credit cards for students, the best credit cards in general, the best credit cards for travel, the best credit cards to build credit, gas, restaurants, and cash back. So definitely check out these different lists, especially if you're trying to find other credit cards you want to be able to get. My favorite list of all is the pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. I need these companies to like tell me whether or not I can get a credit card without a hard inquiry. A lot of times when you apply for credit cards, you're going to get a hard inquiry, and I like to try to avoid getting a hard inquiry. Don't just give me a hard inquiry. Like, if I can avoid it, like tell me yes or no whether I can get the credit card, then I would rather do that than for you just to give me a hard inquiry. So this is the list of credit cards. It's for people that have very, very bad credit or people that have decent credit. It's not really a limit. So if you guys don't have any credit, bad credit, excellent credit, there's credit cards on here for everyone. So as you can see, we got Self on here. We got the Credit Builder card, Kickoff, Discover, Apple, Navy Federal, Pedal 1, Pedal 2, Capital One. This is the one we're reviewing now, the Discover It NHL card, Open Sky, Credit One. But just check the annual fees on some of these because, again, some of these are for bad credit and you might get excited. Oh, I got approved, but it may have a high annual fee. I want you guys to check the annual fees so that you guys don't get high annual fees. Wayfair, Walgreens, NASA, Mission Lane. There are so many different credit cards on here that you guys can check out, but hopefully you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards. And hopefully when you guys come to the website, you'll be able to navigate and see other cards that you may like. So say if you do like the Lexus Pursuits, this is a great one for people that's trying to help with their utilization. I think that this is really what this card is about to me. If your utilization is not the best, you're just trying to get approved for a credit card to help with your utilization, you're not really going to use the credit card. That's what I think this one is more about. You can actually click on the name of the card, and then you can, a lot of the blogs that I have, you'll be able to see other people that actually got approved for that specific credit cards. You can see here, people got $2,500, $3,000. That's good. But I always tell you guys what other credit cards I think that it is similar to. So definitely check it out. But hopefully you guys are able to get approved for this credit card or any credit cards that's out there. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Put them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next